Hi, I'm Brent, and I'm with the Sequence team, and today we are going to show you how to mint a token using the builder. What I'll do today is I'll use a 1155 smart contract, one of our standard contracts. So we'll start with creating a new project. Most of the things that you have will start with the project, so we'll call this one Crystals. Sounds good. I'll grab... that one looks great. Okay, so I'll grab a little avatar to start the project. The first thing that you need to do whenever you want to mint is you need a contract in place. So you can find your contracts over here on the Contracts tab. Since we have none yet, we will go ahead and deploy one starting out. So we have two main standard ones that we like to show right here, which is the 1155 and the 721. There are other contracts as well that you can use. Here, these are all the ones that we provide. It also includes ERC20, but you can always upload your own here as well. But for this demo, I'm going to 1155. Alrighty. So first we have our little fee here to deploy this. I'm going to deploy it on Polygon. And now we have our smart contract. Now when you open your smart contract, you can go to Write Contract right here. Underneath Write Contract, you can go down and look at all the different things. You can also read these things as well. But by writing, you can go straight to the mint function. That's right here. And you're going to want to copy your own address. This address is provided to you whenever you create an account. So we'll mint it to this one. We give it a token ID. We'll say this will be a currency, so we'll say 4,000. And we give it a 0x bytecode, and then we hit write. And then we sign this transaction right here. This will call the mint function. All right, now we can see our tokens right here. Now there's still a lot of metadata that needs to be added to these. This only does a token. If I were to want to do like a currency token, if I were something that's fungible, if I want to do something non-fungible like an NFT on an 1155, I would just use the batch mint function. Well, thank you for spending time with me. Bye-bye.